Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have the Shabby Lane t-shirt of the month club to show you guys for October. Do you want to know what's in my bag? Stay tuned. Okay you guys, so again, the October 2025 Shabby Lane t-shirt of the month club just arrived. They did send this to me for review, so thank you so much for sending me your subscription to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. So you guys, let's go ahead and dive in and let's see what this month's shirt is going to be, the design, the color, all of that good stuff. Let's go ahead and see. I love though that they do put them in like seasonal mailers. And you always have a little gift in here too. It's not just for the t-shirts. Let me go ahead and grab something to cut this open with. And they did generate my code, SheCrafty20, and that'll give you 20% off your first monthly subscription if you're interested. I'll have them all linked down below and I'll go over the pricing and everything once we are done seeing what this month's shirt. Ooh. And I see the color. Last month was a gorgeous green, definitely great for this time of year. This one is a beautiful like burgundy wine color. Okay, so let's go ahead and remove the plastic. And it even has a cute little fall thank you sticker. So they even changed their thank you stickers to go with the seasons as well. That is just so cool. So with this one, again, you get the shirt, you get a little goodie. It's like normally what I've noticed since I've been getting this for the last few months, it's been like a jewelry item, which has been really pretty jewelry. This month, I'll see what that is, but you always have these little cards that are in here as well. And I tell you guys, you can always use these. Like I have one in my background right here from last month. I think it was last month. Or that might have came out of the shirt that I purchased, because they actually do have an online shop as well where you can purchase their shirts, and they have other lifestyle products on there as well, but there's a whole lot of shirts with amazing sayings on them. You name it, like they might have it. You can put it in a search, like if you're looking for like a dog mom or a cat mom or anything like that, you can put something in the search and see what comes up. I believe there's even some shirts for men, so definitely if you want to check out their actual online shop, that's where I had bought my own shirts just to have. And again, I don't know if that came in last month or if that came in my fall themed shirt that I purchased from their shop, but I have one hung there. I would like to get a frame to put one in, and then if they do it like that, you could always switch it out. But again, you can use these as cards if you're gonna write a little note to somebody or give them a gift. You can write something on the back. You can use these for scrapbooking. I mean, you can use these like for anything, but this one here says thankful, grateful, and blessed, and this one says thankful. But those are just really, really cute and definitely festive for this season for sure. And then the goodies that you get is down in here, and there's another one of those cards in here as well. So let's get this opened. So you do have a card, and again, they switched that too because there is some pumpkins in the back of that truck. And I know there was not pumpkins in that a few months ago. And then on the card, it says, friend, every day we find ourselves truly thankful and so very blessed, even on more challenging days. There is still so much to be thankful for. As we begin to embrace the Thanksgiving season, I wish you so many wonderful blessings. I am so incredibly grateful for you. Because of you, I am able to do what I love. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. Much love, Catherine. And that's from the owner from Shabby Lane. But again, they changed this out too. So that is awesome. Then the card that's in this one, it says grateful. It has the rainbow with the little pumpkin. That is so cute. And then this month we have a necklace. I think the other ones were earrings. This month we have a really pretty necklace, and it's gold colored, and it looks like it has like this little ring, like a circle here, and then it has this part that will hang down. Let me get that part that hangs down to come down a little bit more. So now you can see how it goes straight down, and then that is what is in there. Let me pull it all the way out of the packaging. I don't do gold, so I'm gonna put this in my future giveaway for one of you guys, but this is so pretty. Is it stapled on there? It is, it's stapled on there. So let me just see if I can kind of get this part out to show you. And then again, I'm gonna save it for one of you guys to enjoy. That is so pretty. It looks like a crystal, and then it's on like this little gold little, you can even see the back of it too. So it's not completely covered on the back. That is super, super pretty though. So this month, again, you do have a necklace. I love the style. Me personally, I'm just not a goldie or a rose gold fan. I only do silver, white gold, platinum, anything that looks silver. Anything that is like a silver, white gold tone, that's for me. But this is so, so pretty. And it's not like a goldy, it's like a light gold. So it is really, really pretty. And I love that it has like that little thing and then that part that just hangs down a little lower. Definitely different for the style. So I love that. Now let's go ahead and go over the t-shirt for this month. They're always on the Bella and Canvas shirts. They are soft, super, super soft unisex t-shirts, and they go in size small all the way up to 4XL. So you can choose between a small to a 4X. And this month, again, it's this really pretty, beautiful color, great for the season. And it just says thankful with the little heart. That is so, so cute. I love that. And I just love how inspirational this company is. And I tell you in every video, if you want to follow them on their Instagram, I know I do, and I love it because they're always posting the best posts that are super, super inspiring, inspirational, just uplifting. So if you want your feeds to be filled with positivity instead of all this negativity that's going on, definitely follow them on their Instagram and you'll see all of the amazing things that they post and say. Just like I said, it's just really, really uplifting, inspirational, and I love it. So here is, again, the shirt for this month. And then you have this necklace right here. Okay, you guys. So again, this is October's month. What do you think of the jewelry item? What do you think of the color and the saying of this month's shirt? Definitely let me know down below. I would love to hear from you guys in the comment section. You also have these cards too, again, which I love because you can do so many different things with them. So if you would like a little bit of information about the pricing for this, I will let you know right about now. Again, I do have my code SheCrafty20, which will save you that 20% off your very first month if you are interested. Everything will be listed down below in the description box for you to pop on over to check out their subscription or all of their amazing products that they have on their online shop. So for the subscription, there's actually two different styles. There's one that's just for this shirt where you get that little free item in there as well. And then they have another one, which is a boutique bag VIP. There's two different ones. There's a deluxe and a regular. The regular is $29.99 and the deluxe is $39.99. And that one you do not get a shirt, but it looks like you get some accessories. So you can look through the photos of past boxes and just some examples of what could be in there to see if that's something that you would like. Or you can jump straight to this t-shirt of the month club and get a new shirt every month. And that one you can do month per month. It would be $19.95 starting out. The more you go, I think at 2X it goes up. Let me see. Large is still $19.99. Extra large is still $19.99. 2X goes up to $22.95. 3X is $24.95 and a 4X is $26.95. So those few extra larger sizes, since they are more money to purchase, they are just $1 or $2 more. So again, you do have the options from small to 4XL. And again, that's the monthly. If you want to save money, you can do a 3-month subscription and that would be $73. A 6-month subscription would be $147. And then a full 12-month subscription would be $294. And that would give you 12 shirts for the entire year, plus 12 different accessories that would be in there with the shirt as well. Again, I will have them all linked down below in the description box so you can go take a look and see what they have if you are interested. If you would like to see other companies, learn more about me or my animals, you can visit my website at any given time, which is SheCrafty.com. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. I would love for you to stick around. I do so many different types of videos. If something pops up that you're not interested in, then just pass it until you see one that you are. It's that simple. All right, so now that is everything to say and show for this particular video. Again, don't forget to comment down below. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty Crew, out.